Greetings everyone, it's fantastic to have you back on the Brain Sculpt channel. Today, we're delving into a fascinating journey, exploring how to weave mindfulness into the fabric of everyday life. Without further ado, dive into the world of mindfulness with us. Mindfulness. It's a term that's been buzzing around for a while, but what does it really mean? Well, let's unravel this together. Mindfulness has its roots deep in ancient Buddhist philosophy, where it was practiced as a path to enlightenment. Fast forward to today, and it has found a prominent place in modern psychology. Mindfulness is essentially about being fully present in the moment, fully engaged in whatever we are doing. It's about paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judging them as good or bad. It's about accepting the here and now as it is, not as we wish it to be. Research has proven that mindfulness can have profound effects on our mental and physical health. It can reduce stress, improve focus, enhance emotional resilience, and even boost our immune system. So, mindfulness isn't just a trend, it's a scientifically supported approach to enhancing our well-being. Now that we know what mindfulness is, the question remains, how can we incorporate it into our daily lives? Well, it's simpler than you might think. You don't need to be a Zen master or spend hours in meditation. Mindfulness can be practiced in everyday situations. Let's start with something we all do, eating. Next time you have a meal, slow down, savor each bite. Notice the texture, the taste, the aroma. This is mindful eating. How about when you're walking to the store or to work? Instead of rushing or getting lost in your thoughts, be present. Feel the ground beneath your feet, the air on your skin, the sounds around you. This is mindful walking. Work or study can also be an opportunity for mindfulness. When you find your mind wandering, gently bring it back to the task at hand. Notice the sensations in your hands as you type or write, the rhythm of your breath, the thoughts that come and go. This too is mindfulness. And of course, there's mindfulness meditation. Even just a few minutes a day can help you cultivate mindfulness. You'll find it can reduce stress, increase focus, and bring a sense of calm to your life. Remember, mindfulness isn't about perfecting a technique, it's about cultivating a way of life. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. Mindfulness is the practice of fully engaging with the present moment, which is beneficial for our mental and physical health. Incorporating it into our daily lives can be as simple as focusing on our breath, being aware of our surroundings, or savoring our meals. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of mindfulness. Stay tuned for more brain sculpting insights on our channel.